Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So I have been using Gemini for weeks and we have a long conversation thread that's important. Maybe it's research for your thesis, planning a project or an ongoing creative collaboration, but there is no export chat button. So how you would save everything. Unfortunately, Gemini does not currently have a native export feature for individual conversations, so users have requested this feature, but as of now, it hasn't been implemented. That doesn't mean your chats are locked in. There are workarounds in this guide, so I will show you the best ways to save your Gemini conversations and how to request this feature from Google. So the current limitation. As of late 2024, Gemini advanced users reported that there was no option to export entire conversations, even for pinned chats important to their work. This is a real issue for anyone using Gemini for long-term projects. If you rely on a conversation for ongoing reference, you need a way to reserve it. You can basically copy and paste your chat into a document. The most straightforward method is manually copy all of this and paste it. Then open the Gemini conversation you want to save, click and drag from the beginning of the chat to the end, then copy the entire selection, Ctrl C or CMD-C, paste into a Google Doc or Word document or any text file. Then use print to PDF. If you have a very long conversation, print into PDF might be faster. Open Gemini conversation in your browser, right-click anywhere on the page and select print or Ctrl+P, plus P. In the print dialog, select save as PDF and choose your destination folder. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.